Hello everyone, welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. My name is Rick Smith and I'm one of the owners. We have an immediate opening for a general service technician. It's a fantastic opportunity, especially for a young individual who is starting out with this as their career. My partner Michael and I have worked very hard over the last couple of years to create an environment that's very enticing to attract top-notch talent. This is a full-time position and it has unheard of hours in our industry. It's Monday through Thursday, 7:30 to 5:30. The pay program is a salary plus a bonus program. This works out to be somewhere between $46,000 and $53,000 per year. We also have a comprehensive paid time off program as well as medical benefits. We have an amazing team that's very cohesive and they all work together fantastically towards common goals. So it's great to be a part of working with them. We have a clean, well-organized shop that'll give you all the tools you need to succeed. And although we understand that every business has to be profitable, I can truly say that we put people ahead of money. That is the culture here at Mercie J. I know you hear all the same kind of stuff from everyone that's hiring, but I got to tell you, if I had one word to describe our business, it would be genuine. So please send your resume to hiring.merciej@gmail.com. That's hiring.mercie, the letter J, @gmail.com. Please share this with anyone you know that might be interested. And also be aware that we have 2 more videos. One talks about what the qualifications for this job are, and the second is some advice for graduates on what to think about as they're looking at job opportunities. Thanks for watching.